Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Bless upon yourself first and foremost upon the rainy day. I don't know the style though, especially in a day time. So watch a prayer. We are going to talk about what the description of the video say. Beenie man, passed out and mother funeral. You see me guys? And them say nothing like a mother love, so I can relate to where I endure. You see me guys? So subscribe just for not miss out if I your first time over here. So alright people, so I'm going to share the video clippings with you. And this took place in St. Elizabeth. You see me? Stay tuned. Yeah guys, so that really happened and thing. So upon my end, Wull on the end, I just want to send some well wishes. You see me? Recovery and also strength, you see me? Yeah man guys. Yeah people, so if you don't know Spice now, you don't know her again. You see me? Anything to protect the brand. If you don't know our brand, somebody say the wig. You see me? At first I ever see that yet guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think if that is something that I like. But know them would like actually put the umbrella over the head and thing, but she put the wig up in at the top of the umbrella to backside. Not even the Korean June or none of them something there. Yo, see the full one, yeah.
Never protect you. We got every means necessary. Dad, come down. Good guy. Lord, I'm going to slip on. You said that the weird on my hand. Nothing just like that.
Penny, your door.
Yeah guys, so you know the vibes, you see me? Yeah, love a bless up Sione upon her birthday and support, chat and laugh.
Hey Lover.
Oh my god, are you in a troublemaker?
Hey Lover. No, I'm not. I'm such a good girl. But what I want to address, I want the full moon.
Only a full moon now.
The pump with your friend with her nose open up like funnel.
Jesus.
Eh? Want the full moon. Eh? Are the Ipa rain bring her out?
Sure.
Are the Ipa rain bring her out tonight? Cinderella two ugly stepsister them. She and Pam no make one. Cinderella two ugly sisters.
So, what Pam did? Where you get a Pam like that?
Good night, Lover.
Now, Mr. Ask a question. What Pam did? Where you going?
Make she perfect, sir.
Who?
Make she perfect, sir.
Make she what?
Perfect, bad.
Why you say that?
You know like woman. We just come for debunk her life.
Why you say that?
She love get threesome. She love swallow. She had the free case. She had the D case. She's this. She's that. And then here the girl no laugh at.
Mm-hmm.
Here are. or we can go back to my website. You can go back. I like where you play the stamp on her. I like where you play this. You just touch from up the bar.
That me out.
She's just too perfect. She look. So perfect, eh?
So,
and I know she does to the man married to her. She needs to stop. Can't bother. Have a good night. Big up on yourself, Cam.
Big up yourself.
Start done me. Good night.
Alright then, big up. What you get?
When you want me get? When me
That
get
me
her?
ask you. Yeah, what you get?
Me and fair relationship different. Me and Sione Ebbats are. Yeah, don't worry about that. No, when you are gonna get her, no lava. Put your money, yeah, in a Sione cash shop.
I well on there. Shh, I'm gonna shame you. Shh. Don't move it. Stay there.
Yeah, alright.
Stay there.
Hello, fucking here.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, motherfucker.
How are you there?
Mother, I'm a good blood clot, Freddy, and I want lava.
Pussy clad. Watch it. A liar. Let me see the outfit. Just let me see the top.
And this is from Soily Closet too, okay?
Well, on, make somebody hold the phone. Make somebody hold the phone and make
I don't want the phone there, come look good tonight, come here, blood clot, I want the phone so dark, it's not working. It's not working with my appearance. The fuck?
Let me see the top here. See the back. Move the ear. Flip the ear in the back now. Flip the ear in the back now. Flip the ear in the next side. They're going to come down. Good ear. They're going to come good ear. Good shows them. Good shows them.
A good blood clot, my body socks, my blood clot, body socks, lover.
And them Gucci socks for $20 from Sierra Closet, right?
Yes, from Soily Closet too. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you. Lava. Oh, yeah, look. Thanks anyway for the $100. The Muscat champagne. Not Muscat, champagne.
You're out to do that?
No, stop going. Cause your blood clot going too much last night.
Me go on chat to me. Me go on too much.
Last night I go on real bad, man. I lie. You
Me go on too much.
Yeah. Champagne campaign. I have
Right.
run champagne all
Yeah. So all the some boss, all the back.
But see, I didn't want everybody to know, say, give me the money for my birthday. That's why your blood clot give me that dance. You couldn't see me.
No, what could do that?
Our cash I want everybody to know, say, your blood clot give me the money for my birthday. Yeah, you have to give me that a party. I saw you stay, I saw you show up. Yeah.
So after that,
What?
them for see it.
Yeah, man, thanks,
So I
guys.
ask you, where Rika give
No
for
matter
birthday?
what nobody blood clot, give me that one of my pure business. My business is your blood clot process. So, my good man, anything can happen tonight, cause my job won't can work with any blood clot body. No worry about that. Yeah.
So mind the NSC.
I don't drink anything, cause I don't want me. You see me? I drink responsible, you know. Cause I drink when I can work with my baggy. Yeah. I don't drink when I work with my drawers, cause I don't like blood clot take off my drawers, yeah. So I drink when I can work with my baggy. I drink blood clot in it, yeah. Cause I don't drink nothing when I work with my drawers. I don't want to blame the fuck on the alcohol. I want to make sure I the right fuck me put on, yeah. Yeah.
Jesus, people.
The boy where fuck me can't drink NSC and tell him woman say did that thing.